am going to show you what I love to put in one of my favorite smoothies, okay? It tastes so amazing. You're gonna love it. Okay. I just put about a cup of mixed berries. I like to get organic. Of course, when I say a cup, I mean I just wing it. It looks like about a cup. Be good. Then I like to add an apple. Obviously, you can use whatever apple you like. I personally really like either Galas or Pink Ladies. This one is Gala, organic as well. So I just cut it up a little bit, put it in there. Okay, good. You're gonna love this. It is so yummy. Wait to see what else I get in there. Okay. All right, then I throw in a couple radishes. I really like radishes. And I put in just like 2 or 3 depending on the size. They're about this big, so I'm gonna use 2. Okay, good. Next, I definitely add a raw egg for protein. This is really good, especially for breakfast. And that's usually when I have mine. It's my breakfast to go. Then I add a spoonful of nutritional yeast. It's very good for B vitamins. Plus it has some extra protein as well, but I do it mainly for the vitamins. And then I throw in a little bit of turmeric, see? Okay, good. And then I guess you could use whatever milk you like. I kind of got into the unsweetened macadamia milk. It's really yummy. So I fill it up to just about here. Wait till you see what it looks like. All right. Now we're gonna blend it. I'm using my NutriBullet because that's what I like. I will blend it for about 30 seconds or so. Look at the color. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. It looks so yummy, and look at the texture. Ready? I put it into my to-go tumbler. And there it is. Voila! My breakfast to go. Or lunch. Enjoy.